Yo, we got the yak loaded up here. Kev in front of me with the yak loaded up. And we headed out to the water, guys, so this should be a fun video. Stay tuned. Welcome to the Jay Johnson Experience. Let's get to the lake. I'm keeping up. You know, getting cardio, but we keeping up. Oh, there's one right here. Oh, there it goes. There he goes. Got one. Kev, I got a good one. Walking down the boat ramp right now. And Kev's already waiting for me. You ready to push off, Kev?
Yeah, can you put, actually, shit.
You know what I gotta do? I gotta go get my oar. Now that you did that.
I'll grab my drink. Can you grab my drink?
Oh, yeah. Gotcha.
I gotta go test my spot lock and everything, make sure it's good.
Gotcha. All right, while you do that, I'm gonna go get my oars so I have them just in case. Got the oars. Let's get the oars. All right, oars in hand. Let's try this again for a second time. We're launching out here in Scotts Creek and we're fishing for bass and everything else. I'm out here with Kevin from Fat Guys Fishing. Everything good?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. That's where we're at. We got wind today, so we're gonna try to get on that side over there. Try to fish that side. That nice boat is over there. So that's the plan for today. Let's get the yak all ready. Let's get to work. Is there a certain color you're using?
I put on the green pumpkin just worm, but I have a black and white one.
Yeah.
You know, kind of black and silver.
Okay.
I can throw that on.
Got you.
Try and get that shad look.
Oh, I just got a bite just there. I gotta get out of these lily pads. I keep going in lily pads and then they get in my rudder.
Yeah, I'm thinking I got the wrong colors on it. I'm changing it up.
Mm-hmm. Trying to find that right color, right?
Trying to find out. I'm thinking this water's pretty stained, so I might go with a lighter color.
Yeah, that's what I have. I have a light color right now.
I have a white and silver.
Mm-hmm.
Like that.
Yeah.
Big swim bait. I might be able to pull that for the lilies. All else fails, if you want to just catch a white perch, you just put a little crankbait on and go right down the center.
I was gonna say, the bluegill bite is always on fire here. You got that right up there on the edge. That was impressive. Oh, there's one right here.
One?
Yeah. And we got the skunk off the boat.
Your boat.
Listen, a boat, you know? I'm watching my line swim the other way. I'm like, what the heck is happening?
What do you have on? For a worm one?
It's a swim bait, the flatworm.
Oh,
Yeah.
you just swimming and caught a bass?
Yeah, just swimming it slow and then stopping. There we go. Later. Still over the bushes because of the wind. The spot we trying not to disturb. Second time. All right. Gotta do something different. Come on. Solve one problem, enter another. It's all right, we got this. This wind is egregious. Yep. Oh. Fish, Kev. Number 2, Kev. Same size. He started running with this, so. Huh? Alright, I'll take it, buddy. It's number 2. Number 2 in the boat. Later, buddy. Now we just need a bigger one. Yeah, I'm throwing weedless, yeah. It almost makes me not want to throw it weedless, though. Because at least if it was an exposed hook, maybe I'd catch it.
Oh, shit.
See?
That was a big, I think that was a big old muskie.
Muskie?
Muskie, yeah.
That's crazy.
I felt the teeth on that one.
I know there's something over there. I caught pickerel over here. I caught a lot of pickerel over here before.
I had the flatworm right here.
Yeah.
I threw a last-ditch effort just to put my .2 on the right color.
Yeah.
And I got that color.
Right. That's a real good color. Oh, he had it immediately.
In there.
Yes, it falls in his mouth, and then he's like, yeah, never mind.
You feeling teeth?
It could be a snakehead.
I'm feeling teeth.
Yeah, yeah. That was crazy. He's over there. Come on, Kev, you gonna get him. Yeah, we can shoot across.
It's shaded over there.
Yeah, we can do it. I love that you can like tie your lures and stuff while, you know. Oh God. I'm gonna put mine in high too. You think so?
About 4 miles an hour, 4.5 miles.
I'm keeping up. You know, get cardio, but we keeping up. All right. Huh? Yeah, it's super windy. I figure you probably see Crappie over here. Shad and I see little schools.
You got your fish line?
Yeah. Oh, there it goes. There he goes. Kev, we came to the right side, Kev. We came to the right side, Kev.
Little one, but I'll take him.
We take them all day long. Well, that's one. That's 2. There we go. I told you. I said I felt it on this side.
I was adjusting myself and let the bait sink to the bottom.
Yeah, and he picked it up. Right. Then I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna be patient. This thing swims good. I don't see how we're not triggering the bite.
I haven't gotten a bite in there.
Right, it like slowed down. I agree. I've been throwing this bigger bait trying to see if I get a bass to hit it. It's weedless, so I just been swimming it through the lily pads and stuff. Oh, it ain't weedless now, for sure. Got one. As soon as I switched it over. Crappie. Crappie. Yeah, I'm using the little ball head jig again.
We got a crappie?
Yeah. So, we went micro again. If we can get this hook out again. All right, went micro again. We can take him. and put him in there. And then let's see if we get another one. We could try this. Got one. Oh! Had one, right. Do we throw a worm on for a minute? Maybe try a worm for a little bit. We'll go yummy. Yeah! Yeah! Tournament winner! I'm gonna throw in a weightless worm for a second, cast around. Got one. Kev, I got a good one. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. We're getting better. Just had to throw in a Senko. Just had to throw in a Senko, guys. That's all it took. I don't even know if the camera was pointing the right way. The fish starting to get active, y'all. The fish starting to get, I gotta turn. I can't turn. So y'all gonna have to see it the way it is, but fish starting to get active, so hopefully they start getting more bites. Got this on the Senko, man. So let's get him back in the water. Let's put you there. All right, later, buddy. All right. Another bass in. You know, we're making our way back towards the front. The bite's starting to pick up a little bit because it's afternoon. I am backlit, and let's get back to fishing and see if we can get any more of these fish. Kev, there's something feeding right here.
Yeah, I know.
They just came and hit the top of the water too.
Yeah, I think it's, like I said, I think it's a whole bunch of like bluegill and little crappie.
Crappie, yeah.
I caught that little crappie.
Got you. What the hell was that?
They're in there, like they're in the...
Heavily? Yeah, they're in the weeds and stuff. All right, let me turn around.
I'm getting hit left and right, like they're biting the shit out of me.
Right, but you're not connecting with them, right?
No,
Yeah. That's it. And I got on a small jig head too, and they still. I got a little trout magnet I might try next.
Like you're getting bit, but they're not taking it, right? Yeah.
It's probably just a ton of bluegills.
I think I might head over there right now.
On that, okay.
Right, it's starting to cool down.
Yeah.
The sun's still beating that bank over there. Maybe
Maybe they're over there?
warming up a little more over there.
Right. Hey.
Here's the yell.
Right, then I know it's I'm gonna come flying. So I'm gonna see if I can figure out what this is in here.
I had a bluegill on it at one point. He bit my tail off.
Ah.
The wind has definitely calmed down a lot.
That's good. Got him, Kev. Crappie. No, crappie. Big crappie. Kev. It was a crappie. They big crappie. All right, it's 2 in the bucket. Got some crappie. Today is a good day. I don't know if we lost. Yo, what happened? Oh, it's up there. Oh, yeah, there's a whole nother. Oh, look at this one.
A few moments later.
Oh, we're done. All right, guys, kayaks are loaded, and we're about to head out. The journey continues. Got out with Kev. Hold on, let me clean the screen for Kev. So we give him the grand finale.
You gonna put me on the spot again, man?
No, I'm not gonna put you on the spot. I'm just saying, you know.
My beautiful essence.
Your essence, right? Had a good day out here on the water today. Ah, get it, Kev. Get it, Kev. Go, guys. We had a good time out here on the water today. We got into some bass, some crappie. It was a multi-species fishing day, right, Kev? It's multi-species. But it was an awesome day out. Guys, y'all know what to do. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit the notification bell in case you guys want to be notified about new and upcoming videos. Make sure you guys are following Fat Guys Fishing. Make sure you guys are checking out fatguysfishing.com. We're going to do a lot more of this fishing out here on these kayaks, guys. Thanks for checking in. Your boy Jay Johnson. Kev, we out. Peace.